Okay, Gause Garage coming to you from Sarasota Cars and Coffee. And here we are in the monster truck section. As you can see, this is a very expensive machine here. And you don't get any more famous than that than the grave digger, baby. There's the Thundersaurus truck from Monster Jam. Let's see if we can get a shot of the engine here. Oh yeah. It's not a 4-cylinder. There you have it, Gause Garage, Sarasota Cars and Coffee. There's about 400 to 500 vehicles here, and it is absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much.